guys, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a Tjmaxx vlog slash haul. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm about to head there right now, and I might go in and kind of show you what they have in there and go over some stuff, but for the most part I'm just going to wait till I get back home, and then I'll sit down and talk about all the products that I found and the prices and everything like that. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I find at Tjmaxx today, then just keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Follow me on Instagram as well, and we're going to head to Tjmaxx now. Alright guys, so I'm at home now and I'm sitting down in my little filming setup area, and I thought I would show you guys the products that I ended up getting. I'm always shocked at the prices at Tjmaxx. It's crazy the difference. I'm just going to show you guys the products that I got right now. Also, quickly, let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions with these products in the comments down below. If you would want to see a video where I just try them out on my face, let me know and I will do that for you guys. This first thing I got is from Bare Minerals. This is an 8-piece mini Gen Nude Radiant Lipstick collection. It comes in this really cute dark blue packaging with a little rose gold and light blue polka dots on it. And I just thought this was really cute, and it was $9.99, so $10 for 8 lipsticks. And I know they're mini size, but there's still a pretty good amount of product in there, and they're Bare Minerals. I love Bare Minerals lip products. Like, I feel like they're always so good. So I'm gonna take this packaging out for you guys and show you what they look like. How freaking cute is that? I don't know if that is focusing completely on camera, but it's like every other lipstick is like gold and then dark blue, so it matches with the box that it comes in. And I just think these are so freaking cute. Like, the packaging on these are the gold ones, is so adorable. And I'll twist this up and see how much product you get in there. So that's twisted up all the way. That's all the product you get in there, but that's a pretty decent sized amount of product. Like, it's kind of like a pretty decent sized tube, and then you get a good amount of product in there. So these are, like I said, they're Gen Nude Radiant lipsticks, and I'm really curious to see how these are. I can't wait to try them. There's so many different shades, and they're all like kind of like more neutral nude shades. Here's a lighter nude. They're all kind of ranging in between the shade that I just showed you and then this shade, like the light to deep nude shades. The shades in here are all on the back of the box. The shades are Tutu, Crush, Notorious, Nudist, Panko, XOX, Queen, and Crave. So 8 lipsticks in total. I did open this a little bit earlier and just look through the lipsticks really quickly just to see what exactly what the shades were, because it does kind of show them on the back of the box, but you can't see exactly. So I just opened them up and looked at them really quick, and I haven't swatched any of them yet. So maybe I'll swatch one of them right now and just see kind of how the formula is. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that feels so amazing. There is one of them swatched, but wow, that applied so smoothly and creamy and like almost like a more sheer glossy formula, which is really exciting. I know I don't need any more like sheer glossy lipsticks, but I can't resist, you guys know. And this, wow, that applied beautifully, and I cannot wait to try these on the lips. Wow, I'm really excited about those. Like I said, let me know if you guys want to see like a first impressions or anything like that. Anyway, that was kind of a long spiel about those. The next thing I got is this Stila Glitter and Glow highlighter. This is like a liquid highlighter. This was $7.99. I didn't even show you guys like the price on here. Obviously, I want to make sure that you guys can see so you know I'm being honest. And then there's the price of this one, $7.99, like I said. This is in the shade Kitten, by the way, which is a really popular Stila eyeshadow, I think. I've never tried it, but it caught my eye when I saw the shade name, so I thought I would pick it up. And I don't know if I would ever use this as a highlighter. Look at this packaging. This is freaking beautiful packaging, but it's a very like sparkly, almost like glittery highlight, which I think is really cool, but it's not really something that I would normally wear. So I think that this would be pretty as an eyeshadow. Ooh, yeah. I really think this would be pretty as an eyeshadow. Like in the packaging, it looks super glittery, and you can't tell how sheer it's going to be, but like on the back of the hand, that's it swatched right there, and it just looks like it would be a really beautiful eyeshadow. So I know it's not necessarily the Stila Glitter and Glow eyeshadow formula, it's a highlighter formula, but I still think it'll be beautiful as an eyeshadow. That's how it looks, because it does look gorgeous swatched, so I'm really excited to try that. Next thing I found is this Clinique Even Better makeup. This is a like foundation. I've heard some people talking about this, so I really was interested in trying it. And it looks like the shade might be a little light for me, but it's the right tone. When I looked it up online, it said warm neutral. So I'm really interested in trying this anyways. And I kind of got it mainly because a lot of my foundations are pretty dark for me right now. So I thought it would be a great like mixing in foundation if I end up liking the formula and everything. I think it would be great to mix in with darker foundations, especially considering I don't really have any lighter foundations that I can mix in with darker ones. Like most of my foundations are either like my shade or too dark for me. Like I don't really have many that are lighter, so I'm really curious to see if this will work for that. This is the packaging, and yeah, I've heard good things about this, so I'm gonna put it a little bit on the back of my hand just to see, like, okay, that shade doesn't look bad actually. I feel like I could make that work, especially if I mix in something a bit darker, which I have plenty of, so that shouldn't be an issue. And this Clinique foundation was $8.99. There's the little tag on the back. Next thing I got is a palette. This is from Model's Own. I thought it was really cool because I've never seen this brand at Tjmaxx before, and I've really been interested in trying some Model's Own products, so I thought that was really cool. This was $3.99, guys. Hopefully that'll focus, but how freaking crazy is that? $3.99 for this eyeshadow palette, and I'm just really excited to try it. This is the Barely There 2 palette. There was one of the Barely There palettes, the original, but it looked like it was maybe a little bit beaten up, and it was $1 more, which I thought was super weird. It was $4.99. This one was $3.99. So this one was completely sealed and packaged yet, so I thought, why not try this one, because it's probably not going to be like beaten up or the shadows aren't going to be cracked or anything. So I'm going to open this and show it to you guys. I'm really excited to look at this. I haven't seen it yet because it was like taped shut. This is what the packaging looks like. It just says Model's Own on the front. Then on the back it says Barely There number 2 eyeshadow palette, and it shows like the shades. I really like this packaging. I think it looks really sleek and just cute, and I really like how unique it is. So this is the inside of the palette. Wow! Considering how affordable this brand is, this mirror in here is so nice. You get a nice full-size mirror, and then there's the plastic over top of the shadows. I'll take this off. Wow, guys! I'm actually kind of obsessed with the shades in here. Like, they're very like warm, pinky, golden tones. This is what the palette looks like. Wow. It looks so beautiful. I'm really excited to try this. So yeah, maybe I'll try this out in a video if I end up doing a first impressions. Like I said, let me know in the comments if that's something you want to see. Next, I got this Real Techniques brush. This is the 300 powder brush. This is the packaging. This really stood out to me. I thought it looked really beautiful, and it's like all these beautiful like pinky purpley colors. The reason I got this mainly was to try it out as a bronzer brush. I don't really set my face with powder, so I don't really use a big powder brush usually, but I do love bronzer, and you guys know how much I love my e.l.f. stipple brush. Like seriously, I love that brush for bronzer. But I have been wanting to try something different lately. Just, I'm not really sure why. I love that brush, and it's not like I'm tired of it or anything, but I did want to try more of like a fluffy powder brush. So let me see if I can get this open. It comes out the bottom like this. Whoa. Okay, so guys, this is such a beautiful looking brush. Like, it's so gorgeous. And wow. Okay, wow. This is so soft. This is like the softest brush. I'm going to peel off this sticky stuff that they have here, and yeah, this is just really beautiful. Real Techniques brushes are awesome quality, and I'm just really excited to try this for my bronzer. It feels so soft. It feels like it's going to be really nice, and it's soft, but it doesn't feel too flimsy to where it won't like blend the product out right. I don't know if it's going to top my e.l.f. brush because I love that stippling brush for bronzer, but we will see. And this brush was $5.99. Hopefully that'll focus for you guys. There we go. Next thing I got is this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio. They've had these there forever, and I've seen them so many times that I've been at TJ Maxx. But I finally wanted to pick one up because they're only $10.99. There's the little sticker. And they're Anastasia, so you get 3 blushes for $10.99. I feel like that's pretty good. I really like this packaging. Very sleek, very Anastasia. But I'm going to open this. Take the little plastic insert out, and you do get a mirror in here as well, which I do think is really nice. Obviously, it's expected because it's Anastasia. And these are the shades of the blushes. The name of this trio is Peachy Love, and the shades you get are Nectarine. The middle one is Ginger, and Miami over here. So this was the only trio that they had like this one. They had a lot of other ones, but they only had one in this shade. So I really wanted to get a more peachy toned trio for like summertime, and this blush over here I thought would be great for a makeup tutorial that I want to do that's going to be coming very soon, a spring makeup tutorial. So I really wanted to get a shade like that for it because I don't really have too much like that. And then the last makeup product that I got is this Julep Whey Butter Hydrating Lip Sheer, which you guys know, right up my alley. This was $4.99. And I have heard of the brand Julep before, and I've been interested in trying some of their products, but I've never seen it at TJ Maxx. So when I saw it, I thought, why not? Because it sounds just like me. Hydrating Lip Sheer, like the perfect name for a product I would love. This is in the shade Crimson. It's like a bright pop of red. And this is the packaging. This packaging is like heavy. Like this is heavy, and it feels high-end, luxurious, expensive. It looks beautiful. You can see the little Julep logo right here. And then it's like this beautiful like gunmetal reflective packaging, and then the lid is magnetic, and it's just really beautiful packaging. I think that's one of my favorite things about this. This is the color of the lip product. It is supposed to sheer out. It smells like kind of like the Bite Lip products, which is interesting. I'm going to swatch this on the back of my hand. So there it is right there. Definitely looks like a sheared out, more shiny formula. And it just looks really beautiful. I can't get over this packaging and just how sleek and beautiful this looks in the packaging. Wow, I'm just really excited to try this. So that was the last makeup product, but I have 2 skincare products that I picked up, which I'm really excited about both of these because I love these brands. The first one is this Acure Brightening Facial Scrub, and I actually have the Acure Brightening Moisturizer, the nighttime moisturizer. So I thought it was interesting that they had some other things in the brightening line. I like that moisturizer, but it is more lightweight. I wouldn't call it a nighttime moisturizer, even though that's what it is. But anyways, that's beside the point. The thing that kind of drawed me into this product is the fact that it has an Allure Best of Beauty Award winner little tag on it right here. So, I mean, I thought that has to be good, right? If it was an Allure Best of Beauty winner. And this was only $6.99, which Acure is a more affordable brand, I guess, but it's still like not super cheap. It's never this cheap, and it is like natural ingredients, which I personally really like in my skincare. I'm not super picky about it, but I do like to have more natural ingredients. So this says it has sea kelp and French green clay, all skin types. The ingredients are really great on here, and I can't wait to try this. I have been needing a new facial scrub. That's kind of the main reason I picked it up, because I wanted to try a new one. I also love the Acure, the green vitamin C facial scrub, I think it is. It's like, comes with like white and green packaging, and it's like a vitamin C scrub. So I don't know, I just really love Acure facial scrubs from what I've tried, so I can't wait to try this one. And then I got a cleanser. This is the Nourish Organic Age Defense Cleanser with a Cerula ferment and Arctic berries. This was only $3.99. Hopefully you guys can tell on camera, but I thought that was a really, really great deal because Nourish Organic is usually around the same price as a Cure, and it's like half the price that the facial scrub was. So you guys know I love the Nourish Organic Moisturizer. It's definitely one of my favorites. I just am obsessed with it. So when I saw they had the cleanser for $3.99, I was like, I can't pass that up. I need to try it. And I am running through the cleanser that I'm going through right now pretty quickly. So I am going to need to get a new one before long anyway. So I thought this was a great thing to try. And it is a nourishing gel cream cleanser. So yeah, the ingredients on here are great as well. And I can't wait to try this cleanser. So that's all the products that I picked up at Tjmaxx today. I love Tjmaxx. I love just like rummaging through the stuff there and seeing if I can find some treasures. I definitely feel like I found some today, so I'm really excited to try these products. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching if you stuck around till the end. And like I said 100 times in this video, let me know if you guys want to see a first impressions on these products. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you've tried any of these products. Like I said, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!